This right here is a Philly cheesesteak sandwich. We're going to Philadelphia, the city of brotherly love. We just ran into Hakeem Olajuwon. How's it going? Welcome to Philadelphia. Guys, this is the most busiest street. This is called Market Street. Amazing. We got mushrooms on here, pickles. Let's give this a try. Fresh pickles, fresh tomatoes, chicken on the bottom. This is the cheese fries. Huge. You can see how big this is. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the series of traveling the world. In today's episode, we're going to Philadelphia, the city of brotherly love. Boarding soon, flights in 30 minutes. Okay, guys, this got to be the most emptiest time of the day I've seen this airport. It's usually jam-packed, but today they're keeping it very light. We just ran into Hakeem Olajuwon. Guys, we're about to board the plane any second now. Hello, boss. How's it going? Okay, guys, we just landed in Philadelphia. We are about to go grab an Uber and head to the hotel. It does look like it rained a little bit in Philadelphia, but it still looks pretty good out there. Welcome to Philadelphia. Okay, guys, just got out of the airport, called an Uber, 4 minutes left. We're gonna head to the hotel after that. Freshen up, get ready for lunch. It's about 12:55 noon time here. Very hungry, so looking forward to some Philly cheesesteaks. Excited. This right here, guys, is what Philadelphia looks like. This right here is where the Philadelphia Eagles play. So Philadelphia, it's known for the culture, the food, the sports teams. They have Super Bowl champion Philadelphia Eagles. They have the legendary Philadelphia 76ers. They have the Phillies team, the baseball team. Aside from that, they're known for their amazing Philly cheesesteak sandwiches. Absolute best. They have a lot of scenic views around the city. The museum from the Rocky movie where the boxer was running up down the stairs. It's a pretty nice view too. Hey guys, just got to the hotel. Heading to the room right now. Show you guys what that looks like. Okay guys, this right here is the bathroom. This is the main room right here. It's pretty nice, pretty spacious, well lit up. Nice TV here too. It's pretty nice. But yeah, overall, really nice room. Really nice, well lit up room, spacious. So yeah, guys, about to get ready, freshen up, and head out for lunch. Super duper hungry. Looking forward to seeing the city, showing you guys the city, the amazing food, Philly cheesesteaks. Here I come. Okay, guys, we are on the way to the restaurant. We're going to Saad's Halal. Guys, this is the most busiest street. This is called Market Street. Super popular. A lot of corporate offices here, as you can see. A lot of big buildings. Now we're heading to Saad's Halal. This place is known for its Philly cheesesteak sandwiches, their chicken sandwiches. I'm really excited. This place is 100% Zabia Halal, hand-cut slaughtered meat. So that's very good to know. We're on the way right now, and our brother Muhammad, who picked us up in the Uber.
Hi guys.
Nice to meet you. Assalamu alaikum.
Nice to meet you.
Muhammad, you just recommended me a sandwich at Saad's Halal. What was the name?
It was chicken marouche.
Chicken marouche. Beautiful.
Yeah.
You said it's one of the more popular ones over there.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Right.
Brother Muhammad's from Morocco. We just had a great conversation right now, and he was telling me about the city, and the beautiful city of Morocco, the foods. And I mentioned to him that that's on my next bucket list to go check out. So really looking forward to Morocco soon on the map for our channel. The beautiful vibes of Morocco, the food, the culture. How long have you been in Philadelphia for?
So I've been here for almost 7 years now.
7 years,
Yeah.
nice. What about Philadelphia would you say is special since you've been here for 7 years? So what do you think? I know sports is really big here.
Yeah,
Sports.
especially the Eagles fan.
The Eagles, they just won a Super Bowl. And aside from sports, you think the food culture is pretty big here?
Yeah. Like pizzas and especially the Philly cheesesteak.
Okay.
Yeah, famous over here.
It's very famous, right? Philly cheesesteak, really nice. And how about the scenery and the city? Is this something to look forward
Yeah, I
to?
love the city, especially the old city, because you can see a lot of museums, a lot of old buildings
Okay.
from 90s and stuff.
Very nice.
So everything here is so beautiful.
Very
Especially
beautiful.
when there is a good weather, not a rainy day like
Yeah, I know.
today.
Today's a little rainy day, but we're trying to make the most of it,
Mhm.
Just kind of going around the city. Taking a little bit light today, but tomorrow looking to explore a lot more. Hopefully the weather looks good tomorrow. We finally reached the restaurant. The place is called Saad's Halal Restaurant. They got American and Middle Eastern cuisine. Let's give it a try. Okay guys, so we just placed an order. We ordered the chicken marouche sandwich. It's one of the most famous sandwiches here. Also, we ordered the Philly cheesesteak sandwich. That's our house special. We also ordered the cheese fries. So looking forward to how the presentation, the food. This place is one of the most popular places in town. You can see all the awards in the store. It's won from local contests, from national contests. Very nice place. It's a very fast-paced place. So, hey guys, the food is here. This looks insane. This right here is a chicken marouche sandwich. You can see the pickles, the homemade garlic sauce, the chicken. It's steaming hot. Just came out. This is the cheese fries. Amazing quantity. Quantity is amazing. And this right there is the Philly cheesesteak sandwich. Wow. This is just an amazing loaded sandwich, which is huge. You can see how big this is. Let's give the chicken marouche a try. This is what the sandwich looks like. There's homemade garlic sauce, the chicken, amazing fresh pickles. We got tomatoes, cilantro, everything. The presentation is so beautiful. I can't wait. I waited a long time for this actually. Let's give this a try now. This is so good. The homemade garlic sauce. There's a different flavor to this. I've had garlic sauce everywhere, but this garlic sauce, unlike anything else. The cheese fries, amazing cheese fries. Guys, just look at this piece of art right here. Amazing bread right here. Fresh pickles, fresh tomatoes, chicken on the bottom, garlic sauce in the middle. Let's give this another try. This is so good. I can't even tell you guys. You guys have to come here and try this. This is definitely a 10 out of 10. The sandwich is a 10 out of 10. I'm not even exaggerating. This is the best sandwich I've ever ate. 10 out of 10. Would definitely come back here again and again. Okay guys, this right here is the Philly cheesesteak sandwich. Amazing. You got mushrooms on here, pickles on here, jalapenos, cheese, and an amazing amount of beef. This right here is a Philly cheesesteak sandwich. Let's give this a try. My goodness, this is so good. Guys, the Philly cheesesteak sandwich is so good. It's spicy, it's juicy, it's flavorful, it's amazing. I absolutely love this. This is one of the best Philly cheesesteak sandwiches I've ever had. Give this another bite. No way. There's no match for this. This is the best Philly cheesesteak sandwich I've ever had. Hands down, solid 9.5 out of 10. You can't go wrong with this. There's no way you can go wrong with this. This Philly cheesesteak sandwich is just so flavorful. The aroma from the onions, the jalapenos, the beef is so flavorful. There's not much seasoning, just salt and pepper, but such beautifully done. Wow. Chicken marouche sandwich, this is a straight 10 out of 10. Just hit the bar. You can't go wrong with this either. Super amazing. It's so flavorful. Amount of spices, the cheese, the garlic sauce, the vegetables, everything is super fresh. Now let's try the cheese fries. Amazingly done with the cheese sauce. You know, great amount, great quantity. The fries, guys, I would have to give this a solid 8.9 out of 10. The cheese sauce is so flavorful. It doesn't taste artificial at all. You know, the fries are crispy, they're golden. They have a nice little battering to it, which is really gives a flavor. And you know, the seasoning's amazing. Not super salty or too much pepper, but very amazing. Okay, guys, we just got done eating at Saad's Halal. The food was absolutely amazing. We ordered the Philly cheesesteak, the chicken marouche, and we ordered cheese fries. Everything was just like on point. 10 out of 10. Would definitely come back here again and again. For the folks that are from Philly, you know how special this is, and who aren't from Philly, you guys got to come down here soon. Try this out. This is a gem of a spot. This is just amazing. One of the best restaurants in Philadelphia, hands down. You got to try it out. And I just can't wait to be back.